61% of you have had an idea for starting a business, and around a third of you actually had more than one. But most of you, that's 92%, won't follow through and turn their idea into reality. This is according to a Zapier-commissioned Harris Poll survey of over 2,000 Americans. What if I told you there was a way to be part of the 8% who do follow through and start their businesses? This is really an entrepreneurial hack. Hi, I'm Lorna Rasmussen, and this channel is devoted to helping you build a profitable business so you can live the life of your dreams, no matter what that dream is. For me, it's living here in Costa Rica. Before I go on, I want to remind you how much we appreciate that you subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. It helps us to continue to bring you this valuable information. If you've had an idea to start a business, let us know about it in the comments below. First, let's look at the factors that cause so many people to never start their entrepreneurial venture. Here are the findings of the Harris Poll survey. Think about the ones that apply to you. Number one is, and this is the majority, said they just didn't have access to funding for their business idea, or they didn't know how to get started and were worried about failing. They didn't have access or the know-how to work with tools and technologies needed to run a business, or they didn't have the time for the new venture or the support of family, friends, and peers. They didn't have access to group plan benefits. So these are the issues. What's the hack? Let me state first that success can only come from getting started. If you look at this as a journey, this is just the first step. You might have a dream to do something really different and unique, but I want to encourage you to think about starting your entrepreneurial journey with a direct sales business. Robert Kyosaki, who's the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, called network marketing the business school for people who like helping people. And I believe it can be. I've seen so many people go on to create their own very successful businesses after they learned what they needed to from their experience with direct sales. Let's look at this hack and how it can have an impact on each of the issues that were raised by people going into business. First, funding. Starting a business can be very expensive, depending on the business. Some business startups will spend up to $40,000 their first year, and buying a franchise can minimize some of the startup costs and certainly the knowledge issues, but it can also be even more expensive. The cheapest franchises start at $10,000 to $25,000 and go all the way up to $500,000. Direct sales and network marketing businesses can be started for as little as $100 to $500. Second is not knowing how to start a business. One of the biggest benefits of the direct sales network marketing business model is that, like a franchise, the how-tos are laid out for you. And as one businesswoman said to me, it's as if you're using someone else's infrastructure. There's also the support of a team of people who have a vested interest in your success, because in most companies, they only make money when you make money. In other words, you will be guided and mentored as well as encouraged. Now, your experience will definitely depend on the direct sales company and the people who sponsor and support you. I go over how to choose a company because it's so important in my book, The Absolute Best Way for Women to Make Money. Go to the link below to get a copy of the ebook. The final issues are not having the time to start a business or the support of family and friends and benefits. The latter two issues are important, but I don't feel I have the time to address them here, so we'll do something in a later video. But the issue of time is so critical in helping people to get started that I do want to say something about it. First of all, time is relative. You've heard the old adage, if you want something done, give it to a busy person. It's a saying because it's true. What busy people have learned is how to manage their use of time. You might be shocked to hear that I know of people who successfully built businesses working as little as a few hours a day. It's absolutely possible when you understand how to prioritize and work effectively and efficiently. The bottom line is that many of the issues that are stopping people from getting started in their own business and building that financial independence they seek can be solved. I believe that everyone who wants to start a business can with this entrepreneurial hack. Be sure to click the link below and download and read The Absolute Best Way for Women to Make Money for ideas and for inspiration. And I'll see you on the next video.